If you keep quitting, it's not because you're weak. It's not because you lack discipline or motivation. It's because no one ever helped you understand the real reason why it feels easier to start over than to keep going. You've probably built up a long list of day ones, and every time you fall off track, the shame gets louder. The pressure builds and the cycle repeats. But this isn't about willpower. It's about what's underneath the quitting. And once you see it clearly, you don't have to stay stuck in that loop. Let's look at 3 mindset shifts that can help you stop restarting out of shame. Shift 1. Quitting is often a nervous system response, not a character flaw. When you've lived in all or nothing mode for years, your brain learns to panic at anything that feels off track. One misstep can trigger old patterns of shutting down or starting over. It's not sabotage, it's survival mode. And learning to stay in the middle, not the extremes, that's where the healing begins. Shift 2. You're trying to force change instead of build it. You don't need another overhaul. You need a foundation. Most people quit because they try to do too much, too fast, and they burn out. Consistency comes from habits that respect your capacity, not challenge your worth. Shift 3. You're still operating from punishment, not partnership. If your habits are built on guilt, they'll always feel heavy. Quitting often happens when your routine becomes a way to fix yourself instead of support yourself. Change lasts when it feels like something you're doing with yourself, not to yourself. You don't need a new plan. You just need a new approach. Drop a recycle emoji in the comments if you felt stuck in the cycle of starting over. And tell me, what's one way you're choosing consistency over punishment this week? Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.